So one thing I really struggled with before coming here is I would get constant headaches and I would have pretty bad lower back pain. And how it affected my life? Pretty much on the daily, just like being in pain all the time. It's not really fun. So I actually went to a local event and you guys were offering free massages. I really couldn't pass that up. And then I later came in and kind of turned in the certificate that I got from you guys. Did I have any doubts or fears? Maybe there was a little like fear of the unknown, just like not sure what I was gonna expect coming in here, but I think that's about it. There's a couple of things that made me want to actually commit. First of all, like everyone here is very personable and very nice and welcoming. Created a good environment where I felt comfortable to share, you know, what I was going through. There's a very like lengthy process or thorough process rather of understanding my pain points and then kind of coming up with a plan to solve that. The results that I've had through getting care from here have been very dramatic in the sense that I'm just not in pain every day and I feel more like mobile and agile and I can move more, I can train harder. Recovery is a lot easier as well. Yeah, I mean, I think my quality of life has improved, just kind of the day-to-day and just not living in pain. As a photographer, I kind of sit and edit photos all day long. And before that would cause a lot of lower back pain. Since having this care, I've noticed that has changed dramatically and I don't really struggle with that as much anymore. For someone who's unsure about taking the next step, I would tell them to just go for it. Like, you don't really know what's on the other side of pain and it's a great experience overall.